guys, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can lighten your dark elbows, knees, underarms and any dark patches that you might have on your body. This routine is not ideal for your face, however, but you can use it anywhere on your body, wherever you have any kind of excessive darkness going on. So I have the problem of dark elbows, as you can see, and they were much more darker than this, and my knees are also quite dark, like darker than the rest of my legs. So I have been following this routine for the past 15 to 20 days and it's been working out really fast and really effectively on my skin. I used to follow another routine earlier, but I kind of stopped doing that because it was a little more time consuming, but this one involves like lesser time and it's more practical for me, so that's why I love doing this. So this routine only involves 2 easy steps, and the main ingredient for this routine is vitamin E oil. The one that I have been using is by E-Vit. It's their vitamin E oil, and this is like pure vitamin E oil. It has nothing else mixed in this, so it's in an extracted form. You don't have to kind of puncture those capsules and get out the vitamin E oil from there. You can easily get it in a ready-made form. This contains 60 ml of product and it only retails for ₹80, which is like a steal deal. So for the first step of this routine, you require some coffee powder, some sugar and some vitamin E oil. You need to mix all of the 3 things well and then scrub your skin with the help of this mixture. It's gonna help to remove any dead skin cells on top of your skin, so that the next step of applying a serum kind of penetrates into your skin better, and it also helps to remove the top layer of dead skin, the top layer of dark skin from your skin. So after you're done with that, the second step is to make a serum. So all you need for this is a little bit of aloe vera gel, some vitamin E oil and a few drops of lemon. Mix all of the 3 things well and then apply it onto your dark areas, and it's gonna help to moisturize the skin. It's gonna help to lighten that area really fast, and it's gonna help to repair your skin since you are applying vitamin E oil. So that's all that you have to do, and it literally requires only 5 minutes to do this entire procedure. I do this on my elbows, on my knees and also on my feet, because I kind of wear chappals all the time and my feet kind of get very tanned due to sun exposure, so this works really well on my skin. You can also do this on your underarms if you have the problem of dark underarms, or on any other body part wherein your skin is darker than the rest of your body. Now remember you guys, I do not promote skin whitening. This is just removing the pigmentation that you might have, any kind of uneven pigmentation that you have on your body. Your skin tone is gonna remain the same, whatever original skin tone that you're born with, but it's just gonna help to remove any kind of sun tanning, any kind of irregular pigmentation that you have on your skin. So yeah, that's how I like to lighten my dark elbows and my knees and also my feet. If you try this routine at home, let me know in the comment section below how it works out for you. And in case if you want to buy this oil, which is like really convenient to use, then the link will be in the bottom bar, so you can check that out. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.